Hey there, Michelle. This is Victor again. Very glad that we got to talk over the phone earlier. There's just that quick little video that I was telling you about on what you guys can do to get more customers and leads and especially extend your online presence. This video will kind of introduce what I do as well, so I didn't want to overwhelm you with too much information. So if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. Jumping straight into it, here's a little tool called Keyword Surfer. It helps me see how many people are searching for something per month. So taking, for example, Portland Plumbers, it shows me there's over 1,000 searches every month looking for your services, or in other words, looking for you. And obviously, the first places that they would find you is here in the Google Maps, where your Google Map listing is listed. And second of all, here in the organic results, where your website is listed. Now, everybody is familiar with Google, but what most people do not know is that between 71% and 92%, so we're looking at about 70 to 90% of clicks go to the first page. In essence, it shows how vital it is to not only be here on the first page so that those 1,000 plus customers find you, but especially find you first. And so first of all, they will be finding you here in the Google Maps. Now, I looked through the Google Maps to find where your listing was, and here it is, DeTemple. You guys are on the second page. To be exact, you guys are number 38. So that means those 1,000 plus potential customers, they're finding around about 37 other listings before yours. Number one right now is Best Portland Plumbers right over here. And a lot of people believe that it's location or the number of reviews that get you to the top of Google Maps. And don't get me wrong, it does play a role, but it's not reviews or location that gets you to the top, but it's something called citations. And I use a little tool called Whitespark that helps me see how many citations Best Portland Plumbers has that puts them number one on Google Maps. And the best part about it is that not only does it tell us how many citations they have and how many you would need to beat them, but we can get some of the exact same citations as well. So in other words, it's going to be very easy to pump a few citations over to your Google Map listing, and then boom, you're at the top of Google Maps. So that those 1,000 potential customers that are looking in Google Maps for your services will pick you before Best Portland Plumbers, Three Mountains Plumbing, or DNF Plumbing as well. Now, the second place where these 1,000 plus potential customers will find you is here in the organic results where your website is listed. Now, I took a scroll through your website, and honestly, it is a phenomenal website, very easy to maneuver through and very simple and straight to the point. The issue is here, though, is that when you look up Portland Plumbers on Google, you guys are number 68th. That means those 1,000 plus potential customers are finding 67 other websites before your site. 67 other websites. Now, number one right now on the websites or on the organic results is Yelp. Two, Angie's List. Three is Consumer Affairs right there, and four, Home Advisor. Now, everybody knows how big those agencies are, how big Yelp is, how big Angie's List is. However, the reason why they're number one is because of two things. First and foremost is content, and second is backlinks. Content just means they have a lot more words or more information than your site. So first and foremost, I would recommend pumping a few more words into your home page here, because that shows Google that you know what you're talking about, that you have more information on the subject that people are searching for. Now, the second most important thing, or the most important thing, sorry, is actually something called backlinks. The reason why Yelp is up here as well as Angie's List is because they have a certain amount of backlinks. And I use a little tool called Majestic that helps me see how many backlinks Yelp has. And looking at their numbers here, yeah, only six. They used to have 102, but they lost those, and so they only have six right now. In essence, getting a few backlinks over to your website will put you, yes, ahead of Yelp, ahead of Angie's List, ahead of Consumer Affairs, as well as ahead of Home Advisor. So that means anybody in all of Portland that is searching for plumbers will find your site before Yelp, Angie's List, and all of them. All you have to do is get some backlinks on there and improve the content that's already on your page and add some more words. Now, in essence, I guess what I'm trying to get to here is that it's easy as pie to get you to the very top of Google Maps as well as here in the organic results so that those 1,000 plus potential customers find you. Now, obviously, there's more factors to it, such as the different types of backlinks you would need, keywords, social media ads, Google ads, which we help you with as well. But like I said, I didn't want to overwhelm you. So if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me.